today we're going to be looking at a EDC pocket dump, what I carried today. So just to see how it looks. I know the look. Okay, so we'll start with the belt. Okay, today main firearm is Springfield Armory XDS 45 ACP single stack. Carried in a Comtech Spartan holster. And on the other side, single stack Blackhawk magazine carrier with the extended magazine for the XDS. Okay. Got a back pocket, multi-tool, which is the Leatherman Juice 2, and a paracord leash with the Night Eyes bottle opener S-Beaner. Okay. We'll go to back left pocket, bandana, and a Maxpedition, Right in the Rain notebook. The Maxpedition logo on the front. Okay, we'll go also in the back pocket, secondary knife, Spyderco Lossy Zabo folder. Front left pocket, flashlight, the Rofus JR20. This one has the rotating head. So it runs on 18650 R5 LED. Also, secondary firearm for today, Ruger LCP 380 and extra magazine. Okay, clip my belt loop using another S-Beaner. Well, actually not S-Beaner, a bottle opener, Night Eyes. Clip, got my keys, got small pocket knife, pen, pill fob, and in there I have a stash of money, split pea lighter, mini pry bar, and then just the other stuff. Okay. Let's see. Front right pocket. Main knife for today, Microtech Ultratech. Glass breaker. Okay. Also, lighter, mini Bic lighter, couple feet of electrical tape on it. Okay. Wallet, just a saddleback leather small wallet. In the wallet, in this pocket right here, carry a Victorinox Swiss card. That back in there. And around it I have it's actually a bracelet, but I use it as a money band when I have cash. Okay. In the little coin pocket on the right side, my sheeple knife, Case Texas Jack, 2-blade CV metal, CV steel. Starting to form a patina on that. Okay, let's see what else. My shirt pocket, slightly modified all steel Zebra 701. Okay, on the wrists, paracord bracelet with the shotgun shell closure. See, this one's 20 gauge. Other wrist, my watch for today. Pulsar digital watch. Let's see. And that's it. That's what I carried today.